Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a SEMrush technical audit for WordPress websites, full guide step by step clearly. To set up a SEMrush technical audit for your WordPress website, start by logging into your SEMrush account. If you don't have an account, create one and select the appropriate subscription plan. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects tab on the dashboard. Click on the Create Project button to initiate a new project. Enter your website's domain name and provide a project name. After that, click Create Project to proceed. Next, you will see various tools available for your project. Locate the Site Audit tool and click on it. On the Site Audit page, choose Set up Site Audit. Define a crawl scope by entering the URL of your WordPress site. Select your preferred crawl depth to determine how many pages a SEMrush should analyze. Input any specific parameters for the audit, such as limits on the number of pages to crawl. Choose your preferred user agent to simulate a real browser for more accurate results. Set up a scheduled crawl if you want the audit to run automatically at specified intervals. Once all settings are configured, click the Start Audit button to begin the analysis. It will take a few moments for SEMrush to crawl your site and collect data. After the audit completes, you will be directed to the Site Audit dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your website's health score and any critical issues. Click on individual issues to learn more and see recommended fixes. Review the Overview section for a summary of all detected problems. Leverage the Issues tab for categorized lists of issues such as crawlability, HTTPS, and page speed. Take action on the recommendations provided by SEMrush to improve your site's performance. Finally, you can download a detailed PDF report of the audit results for further analysis. Repeat the audit periodically to monitor improvements and ensure ongoing site health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.